How to export TripAdvisor reviews. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Thank God it's quick and easy. And how you can export TripAdvisor reviews? Well, you can use third-party tools and other features to easily export out. So first thing first, within the TripAdvisor.com or through the browser, you'll have to do it on the browser. You want to find that particular property or booking that you wish to get you want to export the reviews for. For example, I want to get it for a certain activity on this Safari Camp and Lodge. I want to get this pages review, right? So I want to head into this page here, and I'll click on check availability, and I'll open up this page here, right? So once I open up here the page for this particular about page, I can simply proceed to copy the link. Once I've copied the link, what I need to do is I need to head over, and on the browser I want to search in for export TripAdvisor reviews. So export TripAdvisor reviews, and you'll get various exporting. You can head into how to here this exportcomments.com, and on this page you'll get how to export. Here all you need to do, as I'll be showing you, scroll down below and you can see it'll ask you to enter the URL, and you want to open the TripAdvisor exporter dashboard. So click on it, and now you'll be on this page here. You want to enter in the link here and then start the export process, and you'll be able to export it this way. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.